Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Today, we will show you how to download the Inzoi app on both iOS and Android devices. Inzoi is a fantastic app and getting it on your phone is super easy. So let's dive in. First, open the App Store on your device, and if you're using an iPhone, open the Apple App Store, and if you're an Android device, open the Google Play Store. Use the search bar at the top of the App Store and type in Inzoi. Make sure to spell it correctly to find the exact app. So once you find the Inzoi app, tap the download or install button. The app will start downloading and installing on your device automatically. After the installation is complete, open the Inzoi app, follow the on-screen instructions to create an account or login if you already have one. And that is how you download Inzoi on iOS or Android. Now, if this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe.